Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and I am here to show you about your craft for the week of June 14th through June 19th, and it's sand art. When you get your packet, you will get all of these little packets of sand, okay? There's red and yellow. It looks like there are two of this greenish color, turquoise, and a purple. Now, and you're going to get something that looks like this. You do not need any glue or anything. Just take a pair of scissors and cut the top off each one of your sand art packages. And I put mine on a paper plate because it's just kind of an easy thing to do. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off the littlest parts. I take this paper off of the eyes like that. And then, let's see, I think I want my snake to, I have a snake, by the way, a serpent. I want my snake to have red eyes. I'm going to take a little bit of this, and I'm just going to put it on there like that. And I'm just going to kind of dot it down. And then I want my other eye to be red also, and I'm just going to kind of move that over. Now, when I'm all finished, then I'm going to take it right here and tap, tap, tap. Look at that, red eyes. Ooh, what about the tongue? Should that be red? I think. So let's take this off, and let's put a little bit of red there. Be careful. Make sure you get it on there good. Get it on all the parts of it, and get it looking like that. And there's that. Now, the next part you can decide. You may want to use part of one color or part of another. I'm going to use this green for the whole body because I have more of it. And so I think what I'll do is take this off here. Let me see, we don't want the tail. Just take this piece off and see what color would we like. Well, let's use some yellow. And we just take our yellow and we put it on about there. And we'll put some yellow here. And we don't have to always have the same color. We just take our fingers and we smooth it on. And when we're finished, yep, tap, tap. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? Then I'm like, ooh, I want some purple. So in between here, I'm going to put some purple. Just like that. And I'm going to shake it out of the little bag very carefully. Very carefully. Tap, 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 tap. And then tap, tap. What do you think? Looking good. And then I think I'll go down here and I'll finish this all out right here with purple. I'll put my little bag back. And there we go. Okay, so looks like tap, tap. That part of your snake is finished. So when you start to do the big part of it, I'm only going to take part of it off like that. And here's my sand I have left. And I'm going to put it right back on my plate because I might want some mixed colors later. So I'll take this and I'll just start putting this on everywhere like I can. I put it pretty thick. I want it to cover it all. Shake it on. Take my finger. Take it all around like that. Oops. I need a little more here, a little more there. Figure out where you need more. Get it all on there. And then tap, 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 tap. Look. Is that awesome or what? And you can finish the rest of your snake, okay, in the colors that you want to finish it. And I'm going to put some of this here. I'm going to get there. I'll put some here. And I'm going to have a multicolored snake. I'm not going to put all of the same color everywhere. I'm going to put this. I'll put it in my fingers. Tap, tap. Ooh, I think I want some purple up here. Oh, yeah. See that? Look. We can make it. And your snake can be multicolored. And you can finish it with any color you like. Don't forget the tail. And when you're finished, it'll all be colored in. Do you think you can do that? I think you can. So have fun with this. Don't forget to sign up for our summer reading program. You'll get one of these in your craft packet. and finish your snake in any colors you want. Have fun with it, and I'm going to finish mine now. I'll see you later, guys. Bye-bye.